Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Home with Kimberly. Today I'm going to do a deep cleaning video of my bathroom. I hope this gives you some great motivation. If you want to see how this turns out, then please keep watching. So I just added all of my rugs into the washing machine, and then I'm going to spray down my toilet and put the toilet cleaner in and let that sit for a while I start on the rest of the bathroom. And I am using products that I ordered from the Grove. I'm using the Method Daily Shower Cleaner, the Method Antibacterial Bathroom Cleaner, and then I also had some glass spray. I'm not sure if that one was Method or not, but they smell amazing, and I will link my code below if you're interested in checking out any of the Grove products.
You always want what you can't have, and while you have it, you can. But still, my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. Well, how do you know how you
And since the Grove is all natural products, that's why I felt comfortable letting my daughter come in and help me. I'm trying to get away from as much as the harsh chemicals as I can. Now, on top of the toilet, I did just use some Clorox wipes on top of my Method cleaner just because it's a toilet and it's so nasty. I just felt like it needed something extra. And now I'm just going to go through and wipe down some of the baseboards. So I am using my Bissell Power Steam Mop here. I love using this mop. My only complaint about it is the cord. Other than that, it works great. I really know that it sanitizes my floors. I will link it down below if you're interested. I did just quickly wipe down my items before I put them back out, and I brought in my diffuser just to add even a better scent and just more ambiance to the room. And I love the way I set up my bathtub. I can't wait to take a bath tonight. I just added just a little piece in the corner with some fall decor, and that is a flameless candle, so it's going to be so nice in here. And then I just put everything back. I don't have a ton of stuff in my bathroom. I kind of like it that way. It keeps it nice and neat. And I did add this little fall sign on the top of the cabinet over my toilet. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it and you want to see more. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to get all notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.